Hi, I'm Dr. Phil Parker. I have a PhD in the psychology of health. I'm an osteopath and the designer of the Lightning Process. And a question I often get asked is what exactly happens during the 3-day Lightning Process seminar? Well, let me run you through the main points of what's covered. I've kept these descriptions relatively simple so everyone can understand the content without requiring a degree in medical sciences. Firstly, the Lightning Process is designed to teach you how to apply the science of the mind-body connection. It's well known now that the body influences the mind and that the mind, via the nerves and hormonal systems, influences the body. So the LP is designed to teach you skills to be able to use this mind-body link to change the way your body's physiology works. I'll divide the content up into 3 days. Day 1 takes a little longer to explain than 2 and 3, as that's when more of the theories and concepts are taught. So in day 1, there's some sections focusing on ideas that are central to the LP covered on the start of day 1. These include how and why, despite your best efforts, you're still not yet recovered. The research into the factors that can interrupt the normal healing process that usually allows people to recover from illness. It also covers the science behind the mind-body connection so you can understand why changing the way your brain works can have a direct effect on your body. We look at how brain pathways have an effect on your muscles, your joints, pain, hormones, digestion, sleep, fatigue, endurance, and our immune system. How our brain quickly learns, and sometimes the brain can get stuck in using pathways that are bad for our health. You'll learn how even the words you use will affect those pathways, and so have an effect on your health. It covers how any sense of being to blame or at fault for being ill has no place in recovery, and linked to this is the importance of being kind to yourself. You'll learn some tools to apply these ideas. The tools include how to recognize when you're switching on pathways that prevent health and recovery, how to pause and switch off those pathways, learning skills of self-coaching, and that includes being kind to yourself, asking powerful questions, setting smart goals, and switching on pathways that change your health for the better. We'll also teach you a set of steps to make this easy to remember. You will leave having created some health goals for yourself and an action plan designed by you to make some changes between day 1 and day 2. So that's day 1. On day 2, we'll build on the learnings you've taken away from day 1. First, we'll discover how you're getting on with using the new skills and tools. We'll check you've learned what you needed to from day 1 and provide an opportunity to answer any questions you have, and teach you some additional elements of the Lightning Process skill set. There are 3 main topics on day 2. The research into the power of our expectations and how they affect our brain pathways and our health. How the brain learns and why that can cause problems or aid your recovery. How recalling powerful memories will switch on healthier physiology and the key steps to doing that effectively. And how you can deal with triggers that can affect you emotionally or physically. On day 3, we continue to support you learning the LP and finding out how you're getting on with the LP tools and concepts. We'll check you feel you've learned everything you need from the course to start to make the health changes you want. We explain that you can share anything of what you've learned on the course with others. How your friends and family can support you as you put the tools into practice. And together we discuss what would be a suitable rehab or back to work timetable for you. We discuss the support structures and resources for after the LP and when it would be appropriate to seek other medical and professional support. So that's it. It's important to remember that the 3-day seminar is preceded by an extensive audio program and coaching sessions if required to prepare you for the seminar. Once you've completed the seminar, the training process continues with the included follow-up sessions with your trainer designed to help you to put the LP into practice over time. I hope you found this useful. If you have any other further questions, just get in touch with us, me, head office, or your local practitioner. We're here to help.